In front of me is OPPO Reno 6 5G, and let me show you how to change keyboard dictionary on this device. So first of all, open your messages or any other area where you can input some text. Tap on Start Chat so you can see the keyboard, and as you can see, currently we can smoothly write in English letters with English dictionary, and I think it's a good day with a thing at the beginning. And if you'd like to change it, just tap on Settings icon, go to Text Correction, to Languages at first, and then click on Add Keyboard. And then select the one that you'd like to add. As you can see, the list is pretty long, so you definitely can find something suitable. And it looks like never-ending story, but thanks to this, all of us can find something suitable. Let me show you the whole list of languages. As you can see, you can write in every language that is and this word. And then if you'd like to change it, for example, to Yiddish, I will pick this because the change will be truly visible. Tap on Done Then, and then remove unnecessary language. Then let's go back, and as you can see now, you can write in Yiddish. So that will be all. This is it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.